So I've got this Reptile Heat Lamp Stand. It's adjustable from 16 to 37 inch. Let's unbox it and set it up. Let's see what we get inside. So this is what we get inside, and that is the manual, the installation manual. And as you can see, you have the base, this that go up, the holder, this that holds the lamp, and some screws. And this is everything we get in the box. Now let's assemble them. We've got 4 screws here, and we've also got some zip ties for the cable for the lamp that you need to buy separate. But it's good that they added some zip ties as well. So we'll start from the base, and then we have the biggest piece of metal that goes right here. And then we can add a screw. And there we go. Then we've got the second part of the metal that goes right here, and you can see this is adjustable. So you add another screw right here, and then you adjust it to the height you need it to be. And then you tighten the screw. And that's it. And then we have this metal, which is bent, that goes right on top here. And we have another screw for that as well. And of course this is adjustable as well. So this is also adjustable on the side, so you can turn it around if you want, like that, any way you want, and then you tighten the screw. And then the last part that goes on top of this, which will hold the actual lamp. So just like that, and then we have the screw that goes on top here. And it's done. And then you have the zip ties that you can add them to hold the cable in place. That's how it looks fully finished. And you can adjust it from here and from here. So this is max here, and then that's about max there. And of course you can also adjust this on top. And there we go. As you saw, this is really fast and easy to assemble. It's made of quality materials, and if you need one of these, you know what you get.